Plumbers, are you tired of being stuck on the tools, running your business alone and never getting a break? Do you wish you could have a reliable team around you that could help your business to run smoothly so you could take some time off? Well, guess what? I've been there myself. Imagine for a moment you had no more debt holding you back. You could finally get off the tools for good. You could provide for your family with holidays abroad, private schools for your kids, and a car that you're proud to drive. Having money in the bank, a growing business, and the confidence to achieve anything. At the 7-Figure Business Builder event, I'll show you exactly how to make that vision a reality with simple systems for marketing, sales, and operations. Grow your finances and learn so much more. These strategies have helped thousands of trade business owners completely transform their lives.
It was around 150,000 for the year. We're about 1.3 million now.
We did 120 boilers. Compared to the last financial year, I did 12 boilers.
I'm Joseph Valente, a #1 best-selling author, founder of 2 8-figure trade businesses, winner of the BBC Apprentice and a Forbes 30 Under 30 entrepreneur. I'm now bringing that knowledge straight to you at this event so you can scale your business and finally achieve the freedom you've been working so hard for. This isn't just a discovery day, it's practical steps to take your trade business to the next level. But don't just take my word for it, our clients have seen life-changing results.
Last year we only installed 4 boilers and we've done 9 this month so far, and we've already got 2 more booked in. I can now work less for more money and enjoy more time with my family.
Went from doing say 10-15 boilers in a year and done my whole year output in just January alone.
Since we've been here at Trade Mastermind, we've had our best financial year ever just by implementing some of the infrastructure that we've learned.
Fitted nearly 400 boilers last year. Just had a record turnover, 220,000 for the past month.
It will be 106 boilers this year. Our turnover is now projected to be over 350,000 for the year. Very happy. Best thing I've ever done.
And with our excellent Trustpilot reviews and satisfaction guarantee, there's zero risk. Take the first small step today. Complete your details on this page to claim your free ticket, and one of my business coaches will call you back to secure the best event date for you. If you're serious about building a thriving business in 2025 and you want to make it your best, most successful year yet, this event is definitely the right choice for you. Complete your details on this page and claim your free ticket right now, and let's get started on your journey to the best version of yourself.